Action speaks louder than words. So your action is to support this platform for startup business with your unshakable beliefs. It's a big platform being created to support our raw ideas with investments. Watch this video clearly. It is a startup mission, your intake business ideas, and we will provide the investment to the raw business ideas on this platform. In this mission, you could get investments for your raw ideas. So watch this very clearly. If you have ideas, this platform is for you. I will show you the sample startup project here. Just watch it clearly. Your support is needed. Watch it. It is a sample project named IOD, I Online Organic Dhaba. Means it has one part OCS cooking shelters which contain food menus, service or delivery drive-through services nearby location to the customers. One part is computer operators. Those provide all this information to the customer, and business model is marketing and service provider. Our team is housewife, small cafe, computer operator, computer car drivers, workplaces, home or offices, wherever they want. It would be very clear after watching this diagram coming next. So the main thing is the raw ideas, business model, smart business model you have, but don't have opportunity. It's an opportunity platform. So watch it clearly. It's just a sample video of 5 minutes. We will arrange investment for your ideas. I know you have intake ideas and need investment. So let us get together at this platform and we will arrange everything for our idea. You have intake ideas, need investment. So let us get together and make this platform a platform for success. So this platform will provide everything to our team who have ideas, business models, team, investment, everything. Watch this diagram. It's IOD, OCS, organic cooking shelters, contain home kitchen, mobile cart, small cafes. That will be OCS. It would have fixed menu, organic, computer operators will provide info of location and services to the customers through website, apps, offline, online. It's cooked organic food. At last, I want to say that first project that will be supported here will be from the viewers, from the subscribers who have raw business ideas and have business models. And next video will also be of one of the startup idea from the comment section. Whole video. Team will be given, investment strategy will be made for us. But the main thing is we have to get together and share this